Good morning. Tuesday, right? The 14th. You think I could remember day to day? How's everybody doing? It's going to be a short. Yes, it's going to be short. I If I'm not under 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then, cancel your memberships. Uh, yeah, eBay shut my tap off. You could see I had a really decent week, and then just boom, it just started boom, 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 trickling in. $50 yesterday. So I only have 7 orders, and I already pulled almost half of it because they were airplane cards. So yeah, eBay shut my tap off, which they are wont to do, but it happens. You just got to is that a Q? 32. Just gotta keep listing, which I have not been like I want to. It's Q4, right? I mean, I should have had all my stuff up 2 months ago, and I should be just hitting it hard now. And hopefully everybody's hitting it hard. Yes, the economy sucks, even though it doesn't say that we're in a recession. I'm sure we're in a recession, and no one wants to spend $5 on a postcard. No one needs a $5 postcard. That's a shitty condition card. Ooh. I'll have to make sure It's too late now. The person already bought it, but hopefully I did say, see condition. Man, is it chippy. Chippy along the corners. There's a big ass crease. Let's see what I say. Okay, good. Nice big note center crease and condition of top. Okay. Item not as described. It's in poor condition. So anyway, yeah, you got to keep listing. Got to run your sales. I'll talk about this more tomorrow. Yes, you can have sales, but don't give your stuff away. And send offers. All those little things, and definitely help you increase sales when eBay cuts your tap off. I don't know how they cut it off, and they don't. I know they don't, but just like to mention it. So today, got like the fall allergies happening. Since I don't have much to pack, and I won't be spending a half hour, 45 minutes, hopefully, or an hour looking for postcards and doing a video. I have 10 more boxes to process from my purchase in Allentown last weekend. So hopefully get that done today. Not hopefully, I will get that done today. Send some offers today, and then I will get shit listed. F-27. Got it. I mean, I have stuff. I have stuff ready to go. I have probably a full one of these. So I have about scanned and ready, and they're easy. They're going to be the easy cards that I do. Hold on. I almost licked my fingers. Ugh. They're the cards that I can do about 100 in an hour. So I would like to hopefully come back and report to you tomorrow that, I don't know why I'm blowing this one up, that I got several hundred postcards listed today. The 10 boxes, all upside down. The 10 boxes will probably take me 4 or 5 hours, I'm thinking, to process. So, hopefully. Okay, where's Disney? Oh man, don't There it comes. These are always cool. TWA partnered with Disney. So yeah, that's what I hope to do. What are you guys doing today for your eBay business? How are you going to increase sales when eBay turns that off for you? Or maybe you don't. I don't know. I know everybody says you got to have a bigger reselling basket. Don't put all your faith in eBay. You know, I'm an influencer, so I get that 40 cents a day from YouTube content. So I have other streams of income, and of course I got my pension. I wouldn't be doing this I'd still be working if I didn't have. Let me take that back. If my pension, which I'm very, very blessed, still have that for now, that I knew I was able to retire when I at the very first chance, by a couple months, because I knew, one, my pension that I get every month will cover my bills, basic bills, mortgage, truck payment, which goes away here soon, and any other bills that I have. I have really great medical health insurance benefits because I had a government job. For now, have them. So I still pay for that. I have a decent amount, not a great deal, but I have enough in my government 401k for now that would, I could pull out of that every month if I needed to, but I don't. So I had all that in place and had built the eBay business during the time I was working. And when I got to the point where I knew that everything was covered, that this really is now paying for my daughter's college and vacations and any other stuff, I'm still doing okay. So I can live through those days that eBay shuts my tap off. It sucks. It still sucks. But I don't think I could be a full-time reseller in these times. So you just got to make it, just keep listing, branch out, get into those other income streams that resellers talk about. Personally, I'm going to stick with eBay and my influencer income. So anyway, I didn't even talk about any of these postcards. We had some airplanes. What's this? Allentown, Waldemere Park, more airplanes, Disney, Oak Ridge, and then this broken ass one right here. So I don't know what the thumbnail is. I already had a thumbnail. I already had a topic I was going to talk about, and then I saw how low my sales were. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. 9 minutes. I don't think I could even stretch it out. This weekend, I'm going to fill a flat rate box in my garage. There's postcard shows, I'm sure. Did we even talk about postcard shows? I'm trying to stretch this out. Keep it under 10 minutes. Okay, Wichita, Kansas, New York. So three this weekend. Following weekend, 3 more. And then all these ones too. I'll be at York. Okay. Hopefully eBay turns, when they turn my tab on, hopefully they keep yours on too. So thanks everybody. Have a good day.